So going into Avengers Infinity War, everything's like, everything's coming up Bruce Banner, except it's not. We know that he's afraid of Thanos, and Thanos is more or less going to make him an example of how powerful he is, so that's going to be pretty good. Over on Earth though, T'Challa, the Black Panther, yeah, he's kind of made it very well clear that Wakanda is the most powerful nation on Earth. So yeah, let's just invite the bad guys over to attack our land, that's cool. But what we recently found out is that T'Challa and the Hulk are both going to be coming from very different angles of how they see the threat coming at them. But of course, at one point, they kind of meet in the middle and go, yeah, we kind of have to fight for each other and with each other and kind of work together at the same time, right? I mean, just think about it. You got the Hulk. He loses control, and depends on how much control Bruce Banner can hold on to, and depending on how badly Thanos beat him, he might be a little bit of a loose cannon, I guess. And then you have T'Challa, who's like, look, we need to all unite here and fight these guys. And obviously, when you look at the future of these characters, you can tell that the Avengers movies are always a turning point into how the universe is shaping up and how everything is looking and how they're going to formulate the next phase, if you will. Now, during a recent interview, what was said is pretty much that the Hulk is going to discover a lot about himself, specifically when he's in Wakanda, with the help of the Wakandans. Now, what that means could be anybody's guess, but I'm gonna guess they're going to try to maybe help him with the whole Hulk situation. And then on the other side, they say that, you know, Black Panther's had a lot of growth since we last saw him in Black Panther, because it's been a little bit of time now, and he's more understanding of his role as king, which honestly, I'm really excited to see. And in this interview, they kind of say, you know, you have to really think about how they're going to react to the other factors, which I can only assume that means, like, the Guardians, and a giant purple-faced alien, and a sorcerer that can bend multiverses. Man, this thing's going to be confusing.